Chen pani INBIAKNA tawngkam sap trung zir chu in tum tiang. INBIAKNA toite tawngkam zir chu tul tam takom thei ani. Sap trung INBIAKNA mizo chunga shilfi ngal zel chu heile. Rema. Hey, how is it going? It's been a while since we last caught up. Kathia ni dam tha mo tun lai, chin kan shet ton lo na poreita Minglui. Yes, it is. I've been so busy with work, but I'm doing okay. How about you? Nitchi emole, nalama ka boy chin do bukani. Kadam try, nangangai anzok. Puya. Same here. Busy as always, but I can't complain. Ngai ko boy chir charang mai ni. Masihan pun noi na tu chi chu ni chuang lo. Have you heard about Moi new job? Moi na thar chung chang khai lo shevem. Minglui. No. What happened? Puya. She's now a teacher in a college. I'm so happy for her. College azirti tu na muthara kalumpui khop mai. Minglui. That's amazing. She definitely deserves it. We should plan a celebration dinner for her. Avaro puive. Aphu rengani. Alom nan joy kom hoi hon ngai turani chu. Puya. Great idea. Let's organize it for next weekend. Should we invite the whole friends? Ngai dan chatakani chu. Ka le to lo ma ti la. Chen dang zong som si an niangem. Minglui, absolutely. The more the merrier. I'll reach out to everyone and find a suitable restaurant. Achangotang kan tampo len wam tingani maya. Midang chu lobiak katum anga restaurant po galunga even ange. Puya. Perfect. Oh, and by the way, what are you doing mostly in your leisure time these days? Achalitu ke. Takana ihun ola engay TV chintun lai. Minglui. I've been hooked on this new book I started reading. It's so good. Lekobu pakat siar ngorde umay kanaya. Ang inom na sani. Puya. Oh, I understand. Good books can be hard to put down. Let me know when you are done, so you can share with me what it's all about. Kashatia matse, lekobu chatu siar laglo all the umaisin. Isiar zahuna amin shilla. Englam ngeni min la serveng zu. Minglui, definitely. I can't wait to hear your thoughts too. Anyway, have you seen any good movie lately? Tereng mai, inga dante po siya tatsakom lom. Taka, movie munom daw any name to naya. Puya, actually yes. I watched this new comedy last weekend and it had me laughing the entire time. I highly recommend it. Neve film to film thar munom zat mai ke na. Min tinui na sakhop mai. Ian veka du sakpui khop mai che. Minglui. Nice. I'm always up for a good laugh. What's the name of the movie? I'll add it to my watch list. Nui vak vak thei te chu kandureng alom. A movie ming pinan serve la. Puya, it's called The Hilarious Bunch. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Ilumpui ngayang tikatiya matse. Minglui, thanks for the suggestion. I'll make sure to check it out soon. So, any other exciting news or plans? Alo mo me, kalong event venge. Tunoy ati tur plan tay niyam. Puya, not at the moment. Just trying to take it easy and enjoy some downtown. How about you? Nailutog love, nangzok. Minglui, same here. I'm looking forward to the weekend to recharge and relax. Maybe catch up on some sleep too. Ipo ka to lotling se, sol hadam wang katsak de ubermay. Puya, sounds like a plan. Well, let's make sure to meet up soon and catch up properly. It's always great talking to you. Rem changain mutila tumila chang. Nangzong biak chihi man la chine. Minglui, absolutely. We'll definitely make it happen. Take care and have a fantastic day. Puya, you too. You too. Talk to you soon. Bye, pots.